Okay, so to make our pita chips, I'm going to go ahead and use 2 pita breads, some Italian seasoning, oregano, garlic powder, and some olive oil. And I'm going to go ahead and start cutting up the pita breads now. And I'm going to show you what I do to make more with the pita bread. Okay, so now that I've got them all cut, what I do is just kind of separate them so that you can make more. This is so good with hummus, with guacamole, with a side of pico de gallo, any of those. So good. I love it. You can have a little slice of avocado. Ooh, that reminds me, I have an avocado that I'm gonna go ahead and use, so it's perfect. Okay, so now in a small bowl, we are going to add our olive oil, Italian seasoning, oregano, garlic powder. I like a lot of the Italian seasoning. This is actually oregano, but I like to put a lot of the Italian seasoning. And I love a lot of the garlic too. I could put the real garlic in, but I don't want it to burn in my air fryer. I'm scared it's gonna burn in there. And we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Mix really well. Now I like to get a large zipped bag and add all of this in there. And it's going to be so much easier because then I can shake it and make sure that everything is well incorporated. Let me roll that down a little bit. And then stir a little bit more. Mix, mix, mix. And then just kind of drizzle everything in there. Oops. Woo, good Jesus. Okay, close up the bag. Take that out of there. And then we're just gonna shake it all up. Make sure all of them get coated very well. It smells so good. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line my air fryer. Oh, so hard to do with one hand. I'm gonna line my air fryer and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw some of my pita chips in there. Okay, so I took some out already. And this is I took some out already, and this is my last batch.